see, Thierry, do you see this changing at all as we go into the third quarter for 2004?
What we hope, actually, we've been in trading range for quite some time, and volatility cycles tends to be quite long. What we hope that once we get out of this trading range, we'll have a bit more volatility and a bit more opportunity to trade the market. The high volumes we've been seeing the last weeks or months are mostly due to the fact that trading houses have likely increased their limits. There are a lot of people out there whose job is to make money with or without vol, so they had to increase their limits to reach the same profitability targets.
Good morning, Thierry. Guy Johnson. That's the point, isn't it? Prop desks are having to go out there with the tight spreads that exist at the moment. They're having to put much more resources into the market to get the kind of returns that they've been used to. Do you think this scenario is likely to continue?
It could continue for some time. So as I said, volatility cycles are long cycles. They could be even longer than market cycles. We haven't seen a change yet to this kind of trend. We're still in a low vol environment. Even when you had some events like the Madrid bombing in March, we had only a small peak in vol then, and came back to the normal trend.
I know some people have been advising that vol is expected to pick up, but anybody that's tried to trade, actually volatility has been crushed over the last 12 months. What you're saying actually is that you believe that that trend will continue as well.
Yes, I do believe that for some times, but we are at historical low levels, so how low can we go? Not much lower, most likely, but we ahead of the summer, I don't see that the trend should reverse that quickly. The danger when you have this kind of environment is to overtrade. You know, you have to make your money, and you tend to take bigger position. You don't feel the risk because markets don't move. It seems like there is nothing to do, but you still have more value at risk. And if we go out of this range quickly, maybe the whole picture could change fairly quickly then.
Thierry, Bill Hubbard, at Guy's point, you mentioned about prop desk. I know 3 accounts starting tomorrow where major divisions now will be integrated, and they will begin very serious trading the bank's balance sheet. Do you see this continuing? Retail demand going out. The fact is more money has to be spent, bigger trades. Is there a real worry now of potential losses here?
That's a risk for sure. We've seen a lot of announcing out there to take more risk, and they wanted to give more risk to more return to the shareholder by taking more risk. It's a way of doing. We'll see whether it be profitable. We at day trade we don't tend to trade to overtrade. You know, when there is money to make, when the volume